what's up guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to find missing about tab on YouTube channels. Yes, this time I will be looking at how you can easily find this option, so I will leave it how to solve the mistake basket. The method of checking you guys today is very simple. So we will not keep the guys into this works in any country, so it doesn't matter where you go. Now I want that it's very simple to be your first time on this channel. Just subscribe and turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video, you have to be the first person to watch it. Now that now in the first place, just open your YouTube over here, and once you go to the channel, so let me set my channel over here. You can see there is no about option, so you can see the info or the about of any channel over here. And the truth of the matter is, YouTube has now updated their system, so they have removed this option. So to know the about of any channel, all you want to do is to click on their description over here, and once you click on this, it's going to take you to their about. So this is very simple. So you can see the description over here. So just click on the about over here, just click on the description over here, rather, and it's going to take you to their about. So I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that